Over the past year, we've delivered 96 new homes across the Vale of Glamorgan, Rhondda and Taff and Powys. We aim to deliver 600 homes over the life of our corporate plan, which is an average of 120 homes per year. I am so proud of all that we've achieved. We deliver high quality, efficient homes that we can be proud of. Everyone wants and deserves a good quality home, and we want to ensure that the homes that we deliver respond to local need, driving good quality design and promoting a sense of place, which will engender a sense of well-being for the people who live there. Our developments are wide-ranging, and we deliver social rented and shared ownership homes across 3 local authority areas. We deliver a diverse programme, and we're not afraid to engage in the more complicated regeneration projects that are so vital to our local communities. Despite COVID, our team have continued to deliver our development programme, modifying our working practices accordingly.
Over the last year, we've developed 100 new homes, and I'm proud of what the development team has achieved. I think the development team at Newydd is highly motivated, professional, friendly, certainly very tenacious, and also highly committed to make a positive difference to people's lives through developing innovative, well-designed and highly energy efficient homes. And I'm proud to be able to have led the team in achieving that. Newydd's corporate plan sets out a clear ambition for us to grow. Over the next 5 years, we've got clear ambitions to deliver 600 new homes in South and Mid Wales. We've been lucky to have worked with some great contractors over the last year to deliver some really diverse and challenging projects and help us to develop and grow the Newydd brand. By 2027, we're aiming to diversify our development aspirations and looking to deliver a diverse development programme that will include affordable rent, homes at market rent and also homes for sale on the open market.
I feel so proud of the team and of Newydd as a whole over what we have achieved. The smiles on the faces of the people as they step into their new homes for the first time is so very rewarding.